Hey guys, welcome back. If you saw the last video, we installed a M.2 drive into my computer here. In this video, we're going to run through the steps of installing Windows 10. So we'll start off creating a installation media and running through the install process. Okay, we'll just jump onto a computer here, and what we're going to do is open up a browser and we're going to download a Windows 10 ISO, and we're also going to download a program called Rufus, and that'll create our bootable media. So we'll just go to our browser here, and what we're going to do is search for Rufus download, and then just click on the Rufus official website link. That'll take us to the Rufus website, and what you want to do is download the latest version of Rufus. Now you're going to need a USB stick for this, and what this program allows us to do is create a bootable USB stick from a ISO image. Once downloaded, just go across to your downloads and you can run the application from here. Right, if we just go back to our browser here and just type in Windows 10 ISO and click on the download Windows 10 disk image link here. Now this will take us to the download Windows 10 Microsoft site. The only option to us here is to download a Windows installation media tool. Now you can't download a ISO as such, but this tool allows you to create one. But it's not entirely what we want. I've never used this tool before. Normally I like to download a ISO and create a bootable installation media from there. I think an advantage of using a ISO and Rufus over the Windows 10 media installation tool is that Rufus allows us to choose the install media partition type. And I've also heard that creating an ISO using the Windows 10 installation tool is a little bit slow. So what I'll do is I'll show you how to get around this part here. We'll start off in the Chrome browser here. So what you need to do is just go to More Tools and then Developer Tools. Once you're in the Developer Tools section, just press Ctrl-Shift-M and that'll bring up this emulation screen where you can choose a device. We'll just select iPad. Once you've selected the device, what you can do is just right click on the screen and just hit reload. Now you'll notice that download tool option has vanished and you're able to download a Windows 10 ISO file. So from here just select Windows 10, hit confirm, and then we want to select the language and hit confirm again. Then we can select the version of Windows 10, so we've got 64-bit and 32. We'll just select 64-bit and we'll just let that download. Right, so we'll just leave this downloading and I'll show you how to do this process in Edge. So if we just go to Edge browser and we'll just paste in that same link that we were at in Chrome. Now just right click with your mouse on the page, click on Inspect, very similar to Chrome, Ctrl-Shift-M again, and that'll take us to this emulation window, and we'll just click on iPad again, right click on the web page and just hit refresh, and then just go through the steps again, selecting Windows 10, the language, and then finally selecting the edition of Windows 10 you want to download, and in my case 64-bit. Now I've already got a download in Chrome, so I won't hit download on this one. Now you'll need a USB stick to burn the image onto. I've just got an 8 gig stick here and I've labelled it just for future reference. Okay, so we'll just chuck this in. Now our Windows 10 ISO has downloaded, and the next step is just mounting this in Rufus to burn our bootable USB stick. Right, we'll just fire up Rufus, and this is where you can select the ISO that we've just downloaded. So just click on select the ISO and go open. Up here, just make sure you've got the USB drive selected. It's the only one plugged into the computer, so I know that's correct. And just going down here, this is where you can select the partition scheme. I just keep that GPT. Okay, and I pretty much just keep everything else auto filled in here, and just press start. Just click on OK, and we'll just let it run through its process here. So our boot disk is created now, and we'll just pop back to the computer. The first thing I've done is I've made sure that I've disconnected my drives, just so I don't accidentally install Windows 10 onto one of those by mistake. And we'll just plug in our USB stick that we want to boot from. And I'll just get a screen, keyboard and mouse connected up. So we've got the screen, keyboard and mouse all connected up. The next step is just booting off our USB stick. So I'll just go into the boot menu of the motherboard, and we're going to select the USB drive here. Right, once in the Windows setup menu, you just need to select the language, the time and currency format. So we'll just select English New Zealand on that one. And keyboard or input method is US. Click on next and install now. So we'll just let it run through its install process. Now when you get to this activate Windows stage, depending on how your key is set up, if you've got your key, put it in now. If you don't have a key, just click on I don't have a product key. It'll give you some time to activate Windows once you've installed it, but I'm just going to click next. And we want Windows 10 Pro. Click on next. Okay, next step is I normally just delete everything that's in here, so we'll just do all that. Now we just need to select new, apply, and next. Okay, so we'll just let it run through its install process. Okay, and we'll just select the region, so yep, that's correct. And keyboard layout is US International. Okay, so for this video example, we'll just go into here. I would normally go into this Microsoft account option, but we'll just go into setup for organization, and we'll just go domain join instead. This is where we can just select the name. Now this is just for an example here, so just go next. Now Now for this example, I'm just going to leave all this on, but it's entirely up to you how you set that up. And this should just take us straight into our Windows 10. Right, so Windows 10's installed. Normally the first thing I'll go to is Windows Update and just check for any updates. So if we go here, we can run the updates. Once you've installed all the Windows updates that are available, then you can just go ahead and install all your software. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. We've successfully installed Windows 10 onto this computer here. Now we've run through several steps along the way in this video. You've seen how to download a Windows 10 ISO. We've created a Windows 10 install media using Rufus, and we've gone through and installed Windows 10. Hopefully you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.